Take command of the road in the 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power rear cargo door, rear parking sensors, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.